All right, we're here at Peppermill Reno playing some Lightning Link. What the fuck is this? The racing, whatever. 10 cent, 250. Look at those. Oh my god, trophies.
Grandes.
Muy grandes. Come on. Oh, 50. Oh shit.
Oh, que bueno. Ahí es rico.
I know. So glad I'm not playing Huff and Puff.
Yeah.
Okay, rescue. Oh my god, I think that's big. I think that's what, 200 something. Oh my god, over 300. Holy shit.
Números gigantes.
On a 250 bet, baby. Oh shit. Do a few live backup spins. And thank you for watching, everybody. Have a beautiful day. Alright, playing some Neptune. Got the bonus. Spend $8 on dimes, baby. Come on. Look and take it. Yeah. Alright, thanks for watching. Alright, this is my backup spin of the bonus, you guys. I think it pays more than the bonus. Oh my god, it does. $105. Oh shit. Alright, let me do a... Oops, that was a $20 bet. God damn it. Shit. Dumb fingers. Oh well, thanks for watching. Oh my god, another beautiful line hit. Wow, okay. I'm gonna be careful and do the backup spin. One more. Oh, alright, we'll be back. Oh my god, what's happening? Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god! Whoa. That was cool. 79. Alright, we'll be back. Okay, just got a bonus on a $6 nickel bet. 5 free spins. We need the orbs. Come on.
The power of Neptune.
Come on, orbs. One more. Shit. teasing. Come on. Oh my god. Wow, okay. Come on. One more. Oh my god. Oh my god. Okay. This game's been very active. Oh shit. Like I said, active. Come on, baby. Feature. That's good. Come on, give me the green one. Green, green, green. Green, come on. Come on, anything. Okay. Wanna run again with that lightning. Ooh. Wow. Thank you, Neptune. Thank you so much. Come on, big money. Big money. $60. Hell yeah. Wow, wow, wow. Holy shit, you guys. $207? Oh yeah. Let's enjoy this. Whoa. He almost sounds a little slow in the head. Oh my god, okay. Let's do a few more. Oops. Come on, two more.
Last call for Steve L to Boca for $2 no limit, Steve.
Come on. Alright, last spin. Oh my god. Wow. I'm gonna cash out there. That was great. Thanks for watching, everybody. Please comment, like, and subscribe.